Welcome to our deep dive into one of Napoleon Hill's most crucial principles for success, drawn from his timeless classic, Think and Grow Rich. Did you know that indecision is one of the biggest reasons people fail? Successful leaders all share one powerful habit, the ability to make decisions quickly and firmly. Indecision is often the silent killer of potential, paralyzing individuals and holding them back from their true capabilities. Contrastingly, successful leaders are characterized by their swift and resolute decision-making. They don't waver, they act with conviction. Welcome back. In today's lesson from Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, we're exploring the principle of decision. This principle is foundational to mastering leadership and achieving unparalleled success in any endeavor you pursue. Understanding and applying the power of decision can completely change the way you lead and achieve your goals. Let's dive into the core aspects of decision-making according to Hill's profound insights. Procrastination is just another name for indecision. People who wait too long to decide often miss opportunities, while decisive leaders seize them. Hill observed that successful people make decisions promptly and stick with them. They don't flip-flop based on other people's opinions. They trust their judgment and experience. Many avoid decisions because of fear of failure, criticism, or rejection. But here's the truth. No decision is final. Even a wrong decision teaches you more than doing nothing at all. Now, for an actionable tip you can start using today to cultivate this vital habit. Practice this. The next time you're faced with a choice, big or small, give yourself a deadline. Decide within 24 hours and commit to it. Over time, you'll train your mind to act with confidence instead of hesitation. Consistency is key. In conclusion, remember this powerful truth about decision-making. Decisions shape destiny. Every time you choose firmly, you move closer to your goals. Your actions, or lack thereof, directly impact your future. So tell me in the comments, what's one decision you've been delaying that you're ready to make today? Let's take that first step together.